welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daria. I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And this is my mannequin. He has name. I named him Brett and he helps me to create art fashion. So guys, next month is a Pride month and I decided to make this video to show you how to create Pride t-shirt. So if you celebrate this month, you can create such t-shirt for yourself, you can wear it and be proud of who you are. I'm not a gay, I'm a straight person, but I against of all kind of discrimination. And I just don't understand how such beautiful feeling as love can be hated. We are all here on this planet, we are all different, and we should celebrate our differences, we shouldn't hate them. And I will make one more video on this subject. It will be a very meaningful video, it will be an art performance, so stay tuned for it. And this shirt which we'll create in this video will be very colorful, very beautiful and so meaningful. And for painting you need white basic t-shirt or sweatshirt or hoodie, fabric paints, and if you have never heard about fabric paints before, you can watch my educational videos. I will put links to the description below. And brushes, I will use one round brush size medium, one big flat brush, and some brush for splattering, some hard brush. You can use wood brush as well. And that's all. And also guys, I would really want to give away this t-shirt which I will create in this video, but I'm not sure how many people will watch this video because YouTube doesn't promote my videos much. But let's make it like this. If you are watching this video now or next year, it doesn't matter, and if you feel that you can't create such t-shirt but you really need it in your life, just leave a comment down below, and if at least 10 people will write comments that they would like to get this t-shirt, I will give away it. And I hope I will make somebody happy with it. So, let's get started! And here are the colors I will use, all the rainbow colors, and also I will use now big flat brush. And first I will make rainbow brush strokes, and first brush stroke will be purple color and I make it at the center of a t-shirt. And I don't want to create perfect lines, so I just put paint on a t-shirt and I just blend it out with brush. I make such up and down moves. After purple I make blue brush stroke. And by the way, information for all my new viewers, you don't need mannequin to paint, you can paint on a table, just don't forget to put a cardboard between front and back side of your t-shirt. And now I make light blue brush stroke, and to create this light blue color I mixed blue and white color. And now I make green brush stroke, and here I will show you now more slowly how I make it. And now yellow. Orange, and to create this orange I mixed yellow and red colors. And the last one is red. And now I just want to make purple brush stroke wider. And now I dry these brush strokes with hair dryer, but you just can wait until they will dry. As you can see guys, I didn't try to make some perfect stripes. I made these artistic brush strokes And now I will use round brush size medium and black color fabric paint, and I will paint heart on top of this rainbow. And again, I don't want you to make some perfect lines, perfect shapes, follow some stupid rules. Your love is unique, so just take brush and be yourself. And now I paint freehand, and you should paint freehand too, and don't afraid to make some mistake you won't. And I will put 2 or 3 layers of black paint on this heart to make it pop. I love it, so beautiful. And now guys, you can keep the design like this. It's amazing. But I want to add a bit more creativity to this design, a bit more art, so I will paint birds. And birds represent freedom, freedom of choice. And I will paint these birds also in rainbow colors, and they will fly out of this rainbow in different directions. And first I will paint them with pencil on a t-shirt, and then I will paint them with colors. But you can paint them on a paper first, and then you will use carbon paper or transferring paper to transfer these birds from paper to a t-shirt. So let's paint. And now I paint birds on a t-shirt with pencil, and I will paint 7 birds, 1 bird for each rainbow color. And I paint them with colors. And now again I will use big flat brush, I dip it in the paint, and then I wipe it on some cloth to remove excess of paint, and then I will make brush strokes near birds to create the colorful traces. And now I will use hard brush to splatter paint near the birds. And painting is finished! This t-shirt is so colorful, I love it. And even I'm a straight person, I would definitely wear it everywhere. But I want to give away it, and size of this t-shirt is large. Yes, it's size large, men's t-shirt in size large, but it's a stretch t-shirt. So if you are size small or medium or large, it will fit well on you, and if you are size small, it will be oversized. So yes, if you want to get it, write me in the comments below. And smash that like button to support my art, subscribe to my channel for more painting on clothes videos, and I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.